Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Brigade Gachagua, the Karen Hospital Dr. and Dr. Gikonyo, all members of Parliament present, all dignitaries, partners, sponsors, and Watoto hamjambo? Watoto hello? So I want to congratulate Your Excellency, I want to congratulate Dr. and Dr. Gikonyo of the Karen Hospital for 30 years of the Heart to Heart run. This is a run that helps my constituents and many citizens in the country, especially children, get diagnosed with heart ailments and also get treatment free of charge. So I want to say today that what you children are doing here, most of you might not have any heart problems, but you are helping to put a mark on the heart of another child. So I want to congratulate you. Let us do this with love in our hearts so that our country can go forward. Thank you all and God bless.
Thank you so much. I want also to just acknowledge the presence of Mama Elachi, MP Wadagoreti North. Just wave to them. Thank you so much. We have Wamurada, the women rep of Muranga County, Kiambu County. Then we have Kagombe there, MP for Gatundu. Sindio. So I just want to say, karibuni sana. Let's have a good run today. And to the Karen Hospital, thank you so much for always being there with everyone. And in my previous life, I was the top MC of this town. So we must have one dance before I sit down. Sindio? Sindio? DJ? Nani ako wapi? MC? Wapi yule MC? Tuende kazi. DJ?
Okay, get some space, get some space. So it's hands up, shoulders, waist, then you jump, okay? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Jump, 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 weights, hands up, let's go. Jump, jump. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Shoulders, low waist, this way. Heads up, shoulders, your waist, jump.
Thank you so much. Let's have a good run. I want to take this opportunity to welcome our Deputy President, Ricky G. Thank you so much.